How to fix Twitter tweets aren't loading on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter tweets aren't loading on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Twitter. Click on it and then click force stop and click storage, clear cache, and after that click data usage and allow all of those here, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need it to go to Play Store and then check if there's any update here, and then just update your Twitter, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.